But look at the very nice coat of arms of the Russian Empire. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So look at these lovely stamps, New Zealand stamps. See, very nice. Antarctic glaciology research. Nice stamps. And so we have another unboxing. We'll just see what it is. I don't know what this one is. I bought a few stuff recently, few collectibles, but I reckon this is or these are banknotes, I think. Here we go. Let's see it. See it now. Oh yeah, right. These are banknotes, Russian banknotes. So I remember I bought a couple of them. I hope they're both here. So let's see. Oh, wow, nicely. Oh yeah, look at that, two of them. Two banknotes in very nice condition. So these are 5 rubles, I think. Wouldn't be 5 kopek, it would be 5 rubles, I think. Here we go. Okay, I'll just, yep. Oh, that's much better. So it is from 1909, I think. See, I bid on it and I didn't even check what year. But yeah, here you go. It's just a few dollars, so yes, it is a 1909, as we can see, and it's a 5 ruble. See the, I think this is the what do you call that? Like the control number, something. And sadly, I don't understand the Russian language, or can understand the letterings, alphabet. I mean, yeah, I think it's 1 ruble. It says here 1 ruble is equal to 115 something. I don't know. 17,424. And yeah, this here we go. I don't know. It's like a promissory note. But look at the very nice coat of arms of the Russian Empire. Very nice. So this is 5 ruble, and this is 10 ruble. This is like an uncirculated condition, I think. Very nice. And it's also 1909. This is the numbers, the bank numbers, or the banknote numbers, yes. And I think it's I don't know. When I bid on it, I see what Shipov something. I don't know who that one is. The signature is from that Shipov. I don't know if it's a general or what, or someone important back in 1909. See, very nice. Very nice. Look. 10 ruble. I want to learn the language, but it is very hard. 10 ruble wouldn't be kopek. Yeah, it will be 10 ruble, I think. Very nice. So yeah, we have 5 ruble and 10 ruble. It's nice, very nice. See the Russian coat of arms, Russian Empire. So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.